Deko in action. In Skopje, Macedonia.
This is improvised cutter.
The first step always sewing, correct? Sewing.
Fine slice to save the stone. Now it is not the good. Maybe next slice or in other direction. And this
So why it's not
cannot
good?
hurt you.
Why it's
It
not
is
good? Why it's not good?
Because of the veins.
Veins.
And sorry. It is 12 millimeters. Another slice. Because we are always taking care about the rational consuming of materials, not spread. So this ruby is not very good. Maybe for normal pendant, but it is not homogeneous. At least little bit. We need to be little bit more homogeneous. Now I will
So too
try.
much marble veining, yeah?
Not marble.
It's different.
More porous.
Porous.
So I think nothing to do with this stone.
Okay.
Let's cut it here again, but I think nothing will happen. Better solution. Big stone, big, quite okay.
More homogeneous, yeah?
More homogeneous. Maybe this is okay. Hem.
Yes. A hem.
It's a vegetarian.
Another thing.
This is preforming. Always take away the parts with lower quality, like this. Nice. Second step, making dot. Now, which side to put it up? This or that? I think this is better. Because where is this vein? We will take it out because of the parabolic shape, so it will run away.
Can you explain, Deko, what kind of material you're using for dotting? For those who didn't.
Wax.
Wax.
It must end all cut, not little bit like this, or metal must.
Angle should be parallel, yeah?
Yes. To make it. And must be very central to save more material. Now is preforming here. Our latest technology is saving the planet and saving water. So we recycle that water, especially for green.
Green technology. Green technology.
Yes. 14.
So what is the goal? You want to make a shape? Or what size do you want to make it? What size?
12.
12.
12 and something. And it is very important to have all the steps of grinding, kako se zovu, frakcije. Frakcije ovih. Što više imaš od što krupnije...
Granulacije.
Granulation.
Different grain size of the wheel. And this is a copper or what is this? Is it copper or iron?
Messing.
Messing.
Brass.
It's a brass. Yeah.
Brass with diamond. Diamond
dust.
grains sinterized inside. To be more precious, because now I'm close, and to have a perfect round, I will use this. For faceting. So I put here.
But you're doing only cabbing here. You don't have a faceting machine, no?
Yes, sometimes with facet.
Oh, okay.
And I need a piece of wire now. This is silver, but not clean, clean silver. It must be harder. If it is not 1000, and this is not clear, so try the hardness. Now we don't need those steps because we just do the round shape here.
Oh.
Little bit more. Almost okay. Now I can even make the angle of I'm doing now. Let's say it is cylindric. Now I will make couple of steps to help my work there on the tumbler. So this is, if I put 0 degrees, I cut this vertical. If I put less, now I will cut like this. So let's say this. You notice? This moment here save my disc there, because longer the grinding equipment lasts, because this is quite expensive. Maybe one cost about 150 euro. Now by hand is little bit softer. I'll do it on this disc here. This is straight, but with work it goes. Now it is suitable for cabochons now because it is consumed. And I think this is order for a customer for now. About 10 o'clock they will come. I think it is okay. This is for polishing silica, quartz. And now the most important. The second part is finishing cups. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps here. It is soft. When I press, it goes down. Now there is no change in the shape, just the luster. Never here on those grains never stay in one place because it is make a hole to the stone. Always be moving. And this is preparing for polishing. Pre-polishing. As longer as we stay on this phase, there is more more surely the stone will be okay. Last step, polishing. On these steps, diamond is into the disc, into the, kako se kaže ovaj, wheel. Yes, into the. Here we charge petrol, little bit, and water. Here is diamond powder. Saving. And a little bit water. Always staying on the more visible part of the stone. Now we are clear to the glass luster. So pressing and force is very important here. Almost perfect.
Corundum is quite hard, so it has a high luster. I mean.
And I'm always afraid because maybe to make it better, then I consume the stone.
Too small.
If I perform their right size, little bit over, then at the end stone is little bit too much small. But then we recover. So now we will finish the edges, the belt. So staying on this phase longer time, there is no problem. We cannot damage anything because this is just polish. Usually we polish the wax here. Evo ga. Da. I sada malo alkohola. Ecco. So who knows how much karat it could have? I think this is about
10.
Less. About 7. 7, 6.
I was close.
You were the closest.
Let's.
Wait.
8.7.
I said 10.
Yes, this is our famous butterfly, filagree butterfly, which is traditional. So we introduce, since we start to cut the rubies, now the butterfly with the rubies is the very requested brand.
Big hit.
Everybody wants. Now there is one technique in the filigree that sometimes we patinate. So I will do this just to show you. This is now to make a little bit more contrast between the silver and the holes, the cavities and the highs. 0.3 of millimeter. So we, the technique is, we take long wire, we put twice, like U, then on the bore machine, we twist the wire, twist, roll, and then we press this under the waltz machine. To make it, and these are the elements that we use. So filigree is kind of mosaic, like vitrage. But it is nice that we inspired other generation. Now they see, with rocks, with stones, could be survive. And then, with filigree could be the chance to survive. With cutting stones, now